Here's what you should know about the MSF course. You want to go ahead and Google MSF course and see where that course may be offered in your area. Personally, I took it at my local community college. And you do want to register for that in advance because classes do fill up. And the cost of this class is $285. There's also an online course that you have to take before the MSF course class, and this is $20, or it could be included depending on the location you take it. So let's talk about the structure of the class. This is going to be 5 hours of classroom time and 10 hours of riding. Personally, when I took the class, I had 2 classroom days and then the 2 riding days, 5 hours apiece. The biggest concern of all beginner riders is, I have no experience, I've never rode a motorcycle. It's a learning environment. That's what this class is meant for. Let's talk about what you need to bring. Don't worry if you don't have a bike, they provide them there. Gear is a huge piece too. You can use any sort of long sleeve clothing you have, but the number one thing you want to bring is a helmet. Depending on the MSF course, they might have helmets there for you, but that's not guaranteed. You also want to have closed-toed shoes and gloves. Also bring plenty of food and water because you'll be out there riding for a long time. As far as the classroom portion, you'll learn all about motorcycles, their controls, and how to ride on the road. For the riding portion, you'll obviously learn how to ride a motorcycle. You'll learn things like the friction zone, going straight, turning, shifting, stopping, everything you need to be successful. Over the 2 days of riding, you'll perform 14 different skills. The instructor will explain what the skill is and then demonstrate it before you actually start it, so you'll know exactly what's going on. After you complete all of these skills, at the end of day 2, you'll take the riding test, which is the first step in getting your license. The riding test consists of about 7 different skills, which include stopping, turning, steering, accelerating, just everything you learned throughout the course. Remember, this is a test and you can get points off for not doing an action properly. But don't worry, you don't have to do everything perfect, you just have to do it okay. Everybody who was in my class passed, so again, don't worry about not passing, you'll do just fine. After you pass the class, you'll get a little card which you'll take to the DMV, hand that to them, take the written test, and then boom, you've got your motorcycle license. Follow for